Gas piping is a very difficult and dangerous job that should only be performed by a professional. And when doing gas piping, there's a couple of simple rules that you have to follow. Rule number 1. Gas is easy, so don't sweat it. It all comes apart, goes back together. If it wasn't for all of that pesky sheetrock, you'd probably take the whole house apart and put it back together in an hour and a half. Rule number 2. Right is always tight, but tight is not always right. It may make you feel like a big man to slam something down as hard as you possibly can, but if you tighten it too much, it'll leak. And leaks are bad. Which brings us to rule number 3. Gas lines only leak when they're being inspected. There is no such thing as a leak on an uninspected gas line. I know that doesn't sound like a real statistic, but you're just going to have to trust me on this one. And now that brings me to rule number 4, and that's about inspectors. Inspectors don't know the gas code. So as a contractor, it's not only your responsibility to know the code, but also to be able to teach inspectors the code. More importantly, that there's more than one chart that can be utilized. See, because they don't know that. Now, the 5th rule of gas piping is never use a 45 if you're a coward. Which brings us to the 6th rule of gas piping. If you can get it done with what you have on your truck, do it now. I've seen a lot of videos of home inspectors talking nonsense about plumbers using couplings. If you got 30 couplings to do the job and you can get it done, get it done. Which brings us to the last rule of gas piping. Hard pipe is king. Flex lines are okay to use temporarily, which in the grand scheme of things, isn't it all just temporary? At that point, you can refer back to the last rule, and we'll make a gas master out of you yet.